How to see the devices that are connected to your TikTok. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check which devices are connected to your TikTok right now. So first thing we do, we go to TikTok, and this is my profile as you can see. Now you have to go to the top corner right here and click on those three lines, then choose settings and privacy. And after that you will have many options here, but you have to choose the third one here, which is security and login. After that you have to choose the second option right here, and it's manage devices. And as you can see now, you can see your devices that are connected to TikTok. Now where you are logged in, this is my device. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.